Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Speak English Easy. I am Alex.
And I am Sarah. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Sarah, today we have a very special topic. I think everyone will love it. Today, we are talking about how to speak English without effort.
That sounds like a dream, Alex. Without effort means easy, right? It means you do not have to stress or worry.
Exactly. Many students think English is hard. They think they need to study grammar books for hours. But today, we will show you a better way.
Before we start, remember, you can pause this audio at any time. If we speak too fast, press pause. Repeat the sentences after us. This is the best way to practice.
Also, we want to know who is listening. We have a big community here. So right now, please pause the video and write a comment.
Yes, tell us, where are you from? Write your country in the comments. We want to see how many countries are here today.
It is also good practice for your writing. Just write, I am from Brazil, or I am from Japan. We will wait for you.
Okay, did you write it? Great. Now, are you ready to learn? Let's get started.
So, Sarah, when I say effortless English, what is the first thing you think of?
I think of habits, small habits. You do not need to study for 5 hours. You just need to do a little bit every day.
I agree. This brings us to our first big idea for today. The phrase is little by little.
Oh, I love that phrase, little by little. Can you explain it, Alex?
Sure. Little by little means doing something slowly, in small steps. You do not do everything at once.
Here is an example. I am cleaning my house little by little.
That is a good example. It means you do not clean the whole house in 1 hour. Maybe you clean the kitchen today. Tomorrow, you clean the bedroom.
Listeners, repeat after me, little by little.
I am learning English little by little.
This is the secret to effortless learning. If you study for just 15 minutes every day, you will improve. You do not need to feel tired.
Exactly. Imagine you want to climb a mountain. You don't jump to the top, you walk one step at a time.
That is a beautiful image. English is a mountain, and we are climbing it little by little.
Let's try a short role play to see how this works in real life. Sarah, in this conversation, I am feeling tired of studying.
Okay, I am ready.
Sarah, I think I want to quit English. It is too big. There is too much to learn.
Oh, Alex, do not look at the whole mountain. Just look at your feet. Are you learning one new word today?
Yes, I learned the word breakfast.
See? That's progress. You are improving little by little. Don't stop now.
You are right. I will just learn one more word tomorrow.
Did you hear that, friends? Alex changed his mind. He focused on small steps.
Now let's talk about another important technique. It is called habit stacking.
Habit stacking. What is that? It sounds like stacking boxes.
It is similar. You take a habit you already have, like brushing your teeth, and you stack English on top of it.
Oh, I understand. So I brush my teeth every morning. I can listen to a podcast while I brush my teeth?
Exactly. You are already brushing your teeth. It takes 2 minutes. Use those 2 minutes to listen to English.
That is so smart. It is effortless because I do not need to find extra time. I am already awake.
Yes. Another example is drinking coffee. Sarah, do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I love coffee. I sit on my balcony for 10 minutes every morning.
Perfect. That is your stack. While you drink your coffee, read one English news headline. Just one.
I can do that. Listeners, repeat after me. I will stack my habits.
I listen to English while I cook.
I read English while I drink coffee.
Excellent. Now, let's move to our next big section today. This is about how you actually learn new words without a dictionary.
This is my favorite part. The phrase for this section is pick up.
To pick up something, like pick up a pen from the floor?
Good question. It can mean that. But in language learning, to pick up a language means to learn it naturally. You learn it without studying hard.
Ah, I see. So, babies pick up their first language from their parents. They do not study grammar books.
Exactly. Here is an example sentence. I picked up some Spanish words on my holiday.
That sounds very natural. Let's practice. Listeners, repeat after Sarah.
Pick up.
I want to pick up some new phrases.
But Alex, how do we pick up English if we do not live in England or America?
That is the big question. The answer is our next key phrase. Surround yourself.
Surround yourself. That means put English everywhere, right?
Yes, change your phone language to English. Listen to English radio while you cook. Watch YouTube videos in English.
That is a great example. It is not studying, it is just living.
Exactly. When you surround yourself with English, your brain learns automatically. You pick up the words.
Let's do another role play. In this one, let's talk about cooking.
Sounds delicious. I will ask you about your dinner.
Okay, go ahead.
Sarah, your Italian pasta is amazing. Where did you learn to make this? Did you go to cooking school?
No, I did not go to school. I watch Italian cooking videos on YouTube every day. I just picked it up.
Really? You learned just by watching.
Yes, I surround myself with Italian food videos. After a few months, I knew how to cook it.
That is amazing. It was effortless for you because you enjoy it.
Precisely. Listeners, what do you enjoy? Do you like football? Do you like makeup? Do you like video games?
Whatever you like, do it in English. Surround yourself with English content about your hobbies.
Now, Alex, I want to talk about a very specific way to surround yourself. It is called shadowing.
Shadowing. Like a shadow on the ground?
Yes, a shadow follows you perfectly. In language learning, shadowing means you listen to a speaker and repeat exactly what they say at the same time.
Oh, that is interesting. So if I hear you say hello, I say hello immediately.
Yes, you try to copy my speed, my emotion, and my music.
My music? You mean my intonation?
Yes, the music of the language. English goes up and down. Shadowing helps you learn this music without studying rules.
Let's try it. Listeners, I want you to be my shadow. I will say a sentence. You say it with me or immediately after me. Try to sound exactly like me.
Ready? Go.
I am so happy to be here today.
Did you try it? Did you copy his happy voice? Let's try one more.
What are you doing this weekend?
Good. Notice how Alex went up at the end? This weekend? Try to copy that sound.
Shadowing is powerful. You can do it with your favorite movie scenes. You can be an actor.
I love that. Now let's move to our third and final section today. This is about the biggest problem for students.
Is it grammar?
No, it is fear, the fear of making mistakes.
Ah, yes. Many students are afraid to speak. They think, what if I say the wrong word?
We have a phrase for this too. The phrase is, mistakes are friends.
Mistakes are friends. I like that. It sounds friendly.
It means that every time you make a mistake, you learn something. If you do not make mistakes, you are not learning.
So we should be happy when we make a mistake?
Yes, it means you are trying. To speak without effort, you must stop trying to be perfect. Perfect is the enemy of good.
Let's practice this mindset. Listeners, repeat after me. It is okay to make mistakes.
I learn from my mistakes.
Now, let's do our final role play. This one is about asking for directions. This is a situation where many people feel nervous.
Okay, I will be a tourist. I am lost.
And I will be a local person on the street.
Excuse me, sir. I am finding the train station. Is it here?
Hello, you mean you are looking for the train station? Yes, it is looking for the train station. It is straight ahead.
Oh, looking for. Thank you. I said finding. Was that wrong?
It was a small mistake, but I understood you perfectly. Don't worry, your English is good.
Thank you. I was nervous, but you were very kind.
Did you hear that? Sarah used the wrong word. She said finding instead of looking for.
But Alex understood me. The communication was successful. I made a mistake, and I learned the right word.
Exactly. Speaking without effort means speaking with confidence, even with mistakes.
You are doing a great job, listeners. Now, we want to try something different. It is time for our interactive practice.
We will say a sentence in the present tense. We want you to change it to the past tense.
This helps your brain switch grammar without thinking too hard. We will help you.
Example, I say, I pick up new words. You say, I picked up new words.
Now you try. Ready? I watch a movie.
I watched a movie.
Next one. We learn little by little.
We learned little by little.
Next one. I surround myself with English.
I surrounded myself with English.
Okay, let's make it a little harder. Now we will say a positive sentence. You make it negative.
Example, I say, I like coffee. You say, I do not like coffee.
Ready? It is difficult.
It is not difficult.
We study every day.
We do not study every day.
Last one. I am afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Wow. If you got those right, good job. If you made a mistake, remember, mistakes are friends.
Time flies when we are having fun. Let's review what we learned today.
Today, we talked about speaking English without effort. We learned 5 big ideas.
Idea number 1, little by little. Do not stress. Just take small steps every day.
Idea number 2, habit stacking. Add English to your daily coffee or brushing your teeth.
Idea number 3, pick up and surround yourself. Learn naturally by listening to things you enjoy.
Idea number 4, shadowing. Copy the speakers to learn the music of English.
Idea number 5, mistakes are friends. Be brave. Do not be afraid to speak.
Before we go, we have a question for you. We want to hear from you in the comments. Our question is, what is your favorite way to surround yourself with English?
Do you listen to music? Do you watch cooking videos? Do you read comic books?
Please leave a comment with your answer. It is great writing practice.
Yes, tell us your country and tell us your favorite way to learn. For example, I am from Spain and I like listening to music.
We love reading your comments. It helps us know you better.
Thank you for listening to Speak English Easy. You're doing a great job.
Remember to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.
Bye-bye.